Hello, Zippy learners! Welcome to another Express Learn video. Today you are going to work in groups to create a plant life cycle poster. Your poster will show how a plant grows from a tiny seed all the way to a big plant that makes new seeds. You will work in groups of 4. Here are the roles. Leader keeps the group focused and helps everyone participate. Researcher remembers the stages of the plant life cycle. Designer draws the pictures. Writer writes the labels and sentences. Remember, even though you have your own role, you should always help one another. If someone needs help drawing, writing, or remembering the stages, lend a helping hand and work as a team. Your poster should show these 4 main stages: seed seedling, young plant. Adult plant with flowers and new seeds. Draw big, colorful pictures for each stage. Use arrows to show the cycle. Write the name of each stage and one short sentence about what happens. Make your poster neat, colorful, and easy to read. When you finish, your group will present the poster to the class. During your presentation, you must explain the plant life cycle and talk about the process. How you worked together, what each person's role was, and how you helped one another.